Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB43 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not working or not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your devices, or you're having any kind of sound issues or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is if you just want to wipe or delete all of the pairing history and everything like that, just because you want to get a fresh start on it, like it's coming out of the box, so maybe you can set it up on a new phone or whatever. It's really easy to do. Now for this to work, the speaker needs to already be turned on. Once the speaker is turned on, you're just going to come in and find the volume down button and then the Bluetooth button and press and hold those buttons for at least 5 seconds until the speaker turns off. When the speaker turns off, that means that the reset is complete. Then you can just go ahead and turn the speaker on and set it up like it's a brand new speaker.